Hey everyone, welcome back. Just a quick update on the pumpkin. We can see it's blossoming there, and this is a male blossom here. It's a male blossom there. You can tell the difference by that one. It just look like a flower. There's no fruits underneath it. So right up here, we actually got a pumpkin. So there's a fruit under that one. So that's a female. So what happened? I don't see any bees. I'm gonna just take a cotton bud and pollinate it instead because I haven't seen any bees. So what I do, just go in here, get some of the pollen. There it is. Come up, put it down in there. Just touch it and see. Like what a bee would have done. So just keep doing it because I haven't seen any bee. Yep, it's a nice. Back up here. Put it down in there. Just hope that it pollinate. It's a nice pumpkin. This is the pumpkin that I pollinate last time under there. That's one there. I pollinate this one, but there was no bees at the time, so I have to pollinate it. We use it. And this one here, over here, I pollinate this one as well. And there's another one I pollinate here over this side here. This one, I don't think this one gonna make it because it should have been bigger already. I pollinate this one as well, and this one bigger. This one growing at a good size. It's okay for now. Please like, share, and subscribe.